Kicking things off on June the 16th, the Lighthouse Guild is going to be hosting an interactive art workshop for blind and visually impaired children. Joining us with all the details, we have a doctor. Dr. Linda Gerra is in the house.
Good morning.
How are you?
Nice to be
here. Good morning.
Thank you.
Now, you have a location in the city. I think I passed by. I turn up, I go up 2nd Avenue and I make a right-hand turn on what street is that?
We are at 64th and West End Avenue.
Okay, so
we
there must be
just
another
moved
one.
there.
Okay.
We just moved there about
okay, because I always see the sign when I make that turn there. Yes,
Yep.
okay. So you're doing some wonderful things and you have a date coming up.
Yes. So Lighthouse Guild is an agency providing comprehensive services for blind and visually impaired individuals of all ages, preschool up to senior citizen. We work with people to help them use their residual vision or their compensatory skills if they have no vision to be successful in their communities, to achieve as much independence as possible, and to have a good quality of life. So some of our programs include mental health services, programs for seniors, but one of our important aspects is parenting children with visual impairments and supporting them. So we are, we have a variety of ways that we support both New York City and nationally with webinars and workshops and support groups.
Got it.
And one of the things we are doing is doing art workshops in all of the boroughs.
So you have a date coming up. What date is that?
Yes, June 16th. We're going to be at the Kingsbridge.
Saturday,
June 16th from 2 to 3:30. And we'll be at the Kingsbridge Library just off of Fordham Road. And we are very thankful to the library system because they have allowed us to be in the libraries in all of the boroughs for these events. And we're partnering for this event with another nonprofit called Art Beyond Sight.
Got it. So the library, you're going to be doing like a tour, and it starts on the 16th?
It's on the 16th. It's actually a workshop for the whole family. And that is another important aspect of it, is it's bringing the family together and also bringing families plural together with each other so they can network with each other and realize they're not the only ones who have the challenges of having a child with a visual impairment.
So what's going to happen upon bringing these families together? What are they going to experience when they come in?
So we will be bringing in all kinds of exciting materials that are going to be interesting for kids who are blind and visually impaired. Not only kids who are totally blind, but kids who have some, usable vision. So obviously we'll have a variety of tactile things to touch, bumpy things, different tactile materials, fabrics, clay, things to construct, and the whole family joins in. It's not just for the one child.
You teach them how to use other senses.
Exactly. So we have also smells, different scents that we can add to the art project and make it interesting. The families enjoy doing things with each other, and sometimes a busy family, and we all have busy families, they don't always get together. And we find that art is a medium that is very important for all people, but especially people who are blind and visually impaired, to express themselves.
Universal language to express yourself, yes.
And be creative.
Yes.
And you and I have ways that we're creative. Maybe we enjoy cooking, or we enjoy gardening, or other ways of being creative. Art is another medium for creativity.
So they will learn a lot. And when they leave, is there a follow-up where they can come back and do it again?
Well, there will be other workshops, and there will be other opportunities to get together and learn. We've had you mentioned a tour. We've had tours at the Metropolitan Museum where they are able to actually touch the art. So we've partnered with several other groups. We're going to be partnering with the Brooklyn
great.
Museum of Art and the Brooklyn Botanical Gardens as well. So we want to give families a chance to do things that are fun with their kids.
Yeah, I think that's a plus too, gathering families together so they can share concerns.
Right,
You know,
and also
share
exposing
experiences.
the kids to culture, you know, to the cultural advantages that we have here in New York City.
How did we come up with this idea?
Art-
It's probably been working in existence for a long time, but
Well, the Lighthouse Guild has a school-age program. The school-age program, 5 to 21, has kids with visual impairments and multiple disabilities. And people forget that visual impairment often comes along with other disabilities.
yes.
So we have had art in this program and art therapists working in this program for a while, and we wanted to expand it and give it other people a chance in the New York City to take advantage of it.
Great. Well, we thank you for all of your experience and thank you for your service to
You're
our
quite
community.
welcome.
We really, really appreciate it. And you'll come back and share more?
Absolutely.
Yeah.
Thank you for inviting me.
You're always welcome. Where can we go for more information?
LighthouseGuild.org.
LighthouseGuild.org.
.org is our website, and we have a section there for parents and families.
Anything you want to say to the public before you leave?
Yes, I would
you
like
can
to.
use this camera right here.
Okay,
That's my
I
friend.
would like to say that Lighthouse Guild wants people with visual impairments to have all of the opportunities that people with sight have. And that is our goal, to provide opportunities, chances for education, chances for advancement.
Thank you so much.
You're
Linda,
welcome.
We appreciate you and thank you for your service once again.
You're welcome.
Lighthouse Guild. All right, thumbs up. We have to take a quick break right here, but stay tuned. We'll be right back with more Open next.